High in the mountains of Guma Prefecture, where clouds brush rooftops and steam curls through silent streets, there lies a place where water whispers ancient secrets. This is Kusatsu Onsen, one of Japan's most legendary hot spring towns. For over 1,000 years, people have made the journey here, through forests, past volcanoes, into the cool mountain air, to soak in waters believed to heal the body and calm the spirit. At the heart of Kusatsu lies the Yubatake, or hot water field. It is not just a symbol, it is the town's heartbeat. From the earth below, steaming turquoise water gushes out with power, flowing over wooden channels that cool and cleanse it before it reaches the public baths. Stand near the Yubatake, and you'll hear it, the steady rush of water, day and night. It never stops. It never sleeps. It is nature's own rhythm, shaped by volcanic force, flowing with purpose. The sulfur-rich water here is some of the most acidic in Japan, strong enough to kill bacteria, but soft enough to soothe skin. Even in ancient times, it was praised. The German doctor Erwin von Bols, who served Japan's imperial family in the 1800s, called it the best onsen in the country. But Kusatsu is not just about soaking in baths. It is about ritual, tradition, and peace. Watch the practice of yumomi, where women in colorful kimonos stir the hot spring water with long wooden paddles, cooling it without diluting its strength. They move in rhythm, singing folk songs passed down for generations. It's not a performance, it's a dance with nature. And in every corner of the town, whether you walk into a small bathhouse or pass a steaming alleyway, you feel something rare. A place where the modern world slows down. Where people speak softer. Where even time seems to pause. Kusatsu is not just a destination. It is a breath. A pause. A return to something older than memory. In Kusatsu, healing is not a service, it's a way of life. The air smells faintly of sulfur. Steam escapes from cracks in stone. And wherever you walk, you hear the wash of flowing water. It's as if the town itself is exhaling, slowly, constantly, inviting you to do the same. There are more than 100 public baths and foot spas scattered across Kusatsu. Some are tucked into corners of ryokan inns. Others sit along quiet alleys, free for anyone to use. You remove your shoes. You step into the warmth. And just like that, the world falls away. Locals will tell you, you don't visit Kusatsu to pass the time. You come to feel time again. After your bath, you wonder. Maybe you visit Sainokawara Park, where streams of hot water wind through a quiet valley filled with open-air pools and rock gardens. Or maybe you sit beneath a wooden pavilion, dipping your feet in a foot bath, watching the mist rise into pine trees. In every moment, Kusatsu teaches you that stillness is powerful. That healing doesn't shout, it hums. At night, the streets glow with amber lamps. The Yubatake steams under soft light, and the air is cold against your face, warm on your skin. You hear footsteps. A faint folk song. A shutter closing. And nothing else. Even in silence, Kusatsu speaks. It tells you that nature is not separate from us, it flows through us. That warmth is not just temperature, it is presence. People return here year after year, not for entertainment, but for balance. For that deep, wordless peace that soaks into your bones like hot spring water. The kind that doesn't leave when you dry off. Because Kusatsu doesn't just heal your body. It lingers in your breath, in your pace, in your memory. And long after you've gone, when life gets loud again, you'll remember the steam, the song, the silence. That's Kusatsu.